Okay, man. It's time. I'll pass you this aux cord. Let you pick the music. But don't play me this pop bullshit. The stuff that you think I think that you listening to. No, I want you to play your music. What you groove out to. What's in your soul, man? I want to get to know you through that unspoken communication via music. What binds us all together. So when I give you this is a big responsibility. But don't be overcome by it. Accept it. And let's find out who you really are.
Who are you? And how did I get in this car?
Give me the stuff! Give me the stuff!
Guttube.